In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email campaign with ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the entire process together so that by the end, you'll have a simple automation that sends an email automatically whenever someone meets a specific condition, like subscribing to one of your lists. First, once you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Automations. This is the section where all of your automated workflows live. If you've never created one before, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, in the top right corner, click on the blue button that says Create an Automation. This opens the setup flow for a brand new automation. You'll be given a few options, but to keep things flexible and fully under your control, choose Start from Scratch. Then click Continue. Starting from scratch makes it easy to understand exactly what is happening at every step. Now you'll be asked to select a trigger. The trigger is what tells ActiveCampaign when to start your automation. For example, you might choose Subscribes to a list if you want the automation to begin as soon as someone joins a particular email list. Take a moment to choose the trigger that best fits your goal, then confirm it. Once this is set, every contact who meets that condition will enter the automation automatically. After your trigger is in place, you'll see the automation builder, which looks like a path or flowchart. Click the plus icon on that path. This is how you add steps to your automation. A menu will appear with different categories of actions. Choose Sending Options, then select Send an Email. This tells ActiveCampaign that when someone enters the automation, the next thing that should happen is an email being sent to them. You'll now be prompted to either choose an existing email or create a new one. Click on Create an Email. Give your email a clear internal name so you can recognize it later, then move into the email designer. Here you can write your subject line, customize the content, add images, and format the layout so it matches your brand. When you're finished and happy with how everything looks, click Save and Exit. This closes the editor and takes you back to the automation builder. The final step is to turn your automation on. Look to the top right corner of the automation screen and find the toggle switch. Change it from inactive to active. Once it's active, any contact who meets your trigger condition will automatically receive the email you just created without you needing to send it manually.